today I'm heading to a park called Langley Parking, which is a very beautiful park in northeast Copenhagen, and it's a place that is known for its sakura trees, Japanese cherry trees, which should be in full bloom right now if I'm lucky. Yes, I can see them. The sakura trees are in full bloom. It's gonna be really beautiful. Yes! I brought my old Fuji X-T2 camera with some vintage lenses because I am pondering buying a film camera and I want to practice my manual focusing. So with the phone I'm using the freewell case that has interchangeable filters and accessories, and right now I have the one where I have a black mist I think, and a ND filter that are very portable, stackable with magnets. Earlier I had another accessory that will allow me to use external lenses. Oh, this coffee is really good. Switching to Fuji, and we are using a vintage Nikon 135 2.8 E series cheap lens. I'm gonna switch lenses. Okay, now we have a 50 f2. No, what I'm saying, it's a 51.8 Nikon E series, pretty cheap lens. We have a lens turbo, so a sort of speed booster on the Fuji X-T2, which makes it act almost as a full frame camera. Essentially is practicing manual focusing. With Fuji cameras in general, you can set it to split screen mode, which is reminiscent to what you'll find in film cameras.